Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. It's a really long boat. It gives you plenty of room. Length overall is about 25.5 feet plus the motor. So first I want to go ahead and start in the front. There's tons of storage in here. Lift this up. A lot of people like to put trash cans in there so they can throw their stuff away with ease. Also right here I have additional storage. If you notice in here, everything, the fit and finish of everything is very clean. That's one of the benefits of buying a Harris float boat. Next up, I want to show you guys the lighted cup holders back here and also the cell phone holders. You'll see those throughout the boat. From there, I'll show you the ski locker. Gives you plenty of room to hide all your stuff. There's a little bit of standing water in there. All we need to do is turn on the float or the bilge pump and it'll pump it out of there, no problem at all. So from there, I want to bring you all to the helm. We have all of our displays, the gauges, right there in a convenient location. All of our switches. So like that ski locker right there, if the boat was on right now, you just push that button, it's going to drain overboard. From there, I'll show you the Simrad Go 5 display. It's an all-in-one display. Fish finder, depth finder, GPS, navigation, all that good stuff. Now heading towards the back. We do have, this is the single rear lounger option, so this folds forward or back depending on which direction you'd like to face and have your backrest leaning towards. This boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury, very strong motor, very quiet as well though, so it'll get you from point A to point B with ease and you probably won't even be able to hear it running. We also have a ski tow bar, so you can pull skiers, wakeboarders, tubers, all those good fun water activities. Again, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. This is our Harris 250 Cruiser. Come by and see us soon.